upbeat music playing. Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's going to leave you buzzing with excitement. On the left, we have the high-flying Holystone HS110D FPV RC drone. And on the right, the nimble Holystone mini drone. Buckle up, because we're about to take off into the world of drones. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the price. Now, the HS110D comes in at a cool $99. It's like the high roller of the drone world. Meanwhile, the mini drone is a budget-friendly $36. You could buy almost 3 mini drones for the price of one HS110D. So if you're looking to save some cash and still have fun, the mini drone is the way to go. But hey, if you're feeling like a baller, go big or go home with the HS110D. Alright, next category, camera. The HS110D boasts a 1080p FOV, 120 degrees HD FPV camera. That's a lot of letters and numbers that basically mean it takes awesome wide-angle shots. Perfect for capturing those Instagram-worthy moments. On the other hand, the mini drone has, well, it doesn't have a camera. So if you want to take aerial selfies, the HS110D is your new best friend. If you don't care about photos and just want to fly, the mini drone's got your back. Now let's dive into the flight experience. The HS110D has altitude hold, headless mode, and even 3D flips. It's like the James Bond of drones. You can focus on your spy missions, photography, without worrying about controlling the drone. Plus, it has mobile control, voice control, gesture control. I wouldn't be surprised if it could cook dinner too. Meanwhile, the mini drone is all about fun. Toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It's like the circus came to town and brought a drone. Perfect for kids and beginners. Reviewers agree that the HS110D is stable and easy to use, while the mini drone is praised for its lightweight design and maneuverability. Battery life is crucial. The HS110D comes with 2 modular batteries that give you a total of 20 minutes of flight time. Not bad, right? But the mini drone isn't backing down. It packs 3 batteries, giving you a whopping 21 minutes of flight time. That's 1 extra minute to impress your friends or crash into a tree. Your choice. Reviewers of the HS110D did mention some initial issues with battery life but praised the customer service. On the other hand, mini drone users appreciated the extra batteries and quick recharge. Safety first, folks. The HS110D is great for stable, easy flying, but the mini drone takes safety up a notch with full propeller protection. No more worrying about your kids losing a finger or your drone losing a propeller. Plus, the mini drone's low battery power alarm means you won't lose it in the neighbor's yard. So if you're accident-prone or have kids who are, the mini drone is your safer bet. Reviewers have praised the mini drone for its durability and safety features, while HS110D users enjoyed its ease of use but noted the lack of warning sensors. Reviewers generally find the Holystone HS110D to be a solid choice for beginners, especially those interested in photography, thanks to its stable flight and decent camera quality. However, some have noted issues with battery life and the lack of warning sensors. On the other hand, the Holystone mini drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and safety features, making it an excellent option for kids and first-time users. Despite its lack of a camera, its durability and fun flight features make it a crowd favorite. So there you have it, smart buyers. The HS110D is your go-to for high-quality photos and advanced features, while the mini drone is perfect for fun, safe flying at a budget-friendly price. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.